Okay, today we're going to do a cabin air filter replacement on a 2009 model Hyundai i30. Cars take a 2-filter set of filters, and after shooting of the video for the Hyundai i30 cabin air filter, we redesigned the filter so that it is now just a single piece filter instead of the 2-piece that came originally. These are the original 2-piece filters that was installed originally in the car, and they don't seal, they have a gap, so we designed a filter just to be a single 1-piece filter, exactly the same size as the original 2-piece filter. Now it's just a single piece, much easier to install and seals all the way around. And they're located behind the glove box. And to lower the glove box, there's 2 small stoppers on either side. These are the 2 stoppers that you have to remove. So they just push in. They just push in like so. And to remove them, just pull out the bottom and slide them towards you. And then you can just remove them by pushing them through the hole. And to reinstall, just push them back in like so. And on some models there is also a small bar that you unclip off of the side of the glove box. You just push them to one side and they unhook. Your cabin filter is located behind this cover. Squeeze in the cover clip on one side and it just fits on a little tongue. Your 2 old cabin filters are then behind this cover, so pull out the first old cabin air filter. Try not to allow any of the debris on top to fall into the fan below, and then your second filter is just here. Again, try not to allow any of the leaves to fall into the fan below. Just make sure it's all the way to the left and all the way back in. Then slide in your second cabin air filter. Again, red acrylic base on the bottom with the cutout on the right hand side. It just slides all the way back in. Reinstall your front cover. Click the left hand side in first. Close your glove box slightly and then reinstall the stoppers. The glove box has got to be partially closed to get them in, so just put them in. The first one, and close slightly, and in, and then reattach the small support bar on the left hand side till it clicks. After shooting of the video for the Hyundai i30 cabin air filter, we redesigned the filter so that it is now just a single piece filter instead of the 2-piece that came originally. These are the original 2-piece filters that was installed originally in the car, and they don't seal, they have a gap, so we designed a filter just to be a single 1-piece filter.